This is Brian Wallace from CLA, and looking at the calendar, we're only a month out from the Clean Show, Clean 2025 in Orlando, August 23rd to the 26th, and we're super excited to again be one of the sponsors of the largest exhibition opportunity for the garment and textile industry anywhere in the world. And we've got a lot of special events coming your way. Not only do we have lots of education happening each morning to kick off the show, as well as some afternoon sessions, we also have our unbelievable Laundromat tour coming up the day before the show on Friday the 22nd. You can go online and buy your ticket and join your peers. And let's go around and see some of the highlighted stores in the Orlando market and get us all ready to get the show open on that following morning. I also wanted to point out that our annual reception, a little dinner party that we like to do every year, which usually draws 500 or 600 people of your peers to get together and celebrate the industry and connect with one another, is happening on Sunday the 24th, which is the second night of the show, right at the Rosen Center Hotel. So again, you'll be able to find ticketing information at laundryassociation.org. Also want to highlight that on Saturday the 23rd, we have a lunch and learn of all things Laundry Cares Foundation. So if you've been an active participant or want to learn more about our outreach to the communities where we do business, that'll be an awesome opportunity for you to do that. We also have a women's initiative lunch and learn, as well as a happy hour for our women's initiative, which is an incredible cohort of women in the laundry industry doing incredible things together. So we've got just a great show lined up for you. I was just checking, we're 15% or so ahead of prior years, both in terms of attendance and exhibit space. We have 80 first-time exhibitors coming to the Clean Show. So much has happened in the 3 years since our last show that you're not going to want to miss this opportunity. So once again, I'm looking forward to seeing you in person in Orlando in just a few weeks from now. Please join us for Clean 2025. You can find all the details at our homepage for the show at laundryassociation.org. I'll see you in Florida.